Hi guys, welcome to my video. I'm Mia. So today we're gonna install Cebu Hammock or Duyan.
Duyan. So, ipatanaw ang siya ang duyan.
The Duyan.
Muna siya ang stand.
Ow, more like sa pilo. May tag ako ni madala sa camping.
Oh, very nice kayo siya mag-camping.
Hmm.
So, first na to nga i-install. Sige. Ang
This one.
okay, sige.
Give that or else I'm gonna hurt my
Kana.
this one.
Ah,
Help me, ma'am.
balik. Ah.
Sakto.
Hmm. Ito. Tikas.
There is one.
Yeah.
You do.
Okay.
So, first na stand.
Put that down. Oh, never mind. Okay. E. I guess the wrong way. Ah, never mind. I guess.
Sige, ipot na.
Yun na nabi. Kano.
Kani siya.
Kana.
This one pa na siya. Ilak. Ano siya ang lock?
More like. Whew. Okay.
Sige daw.
Wait, sir. Mali.
Sakto. Sige, do it.
I
Okay.
stuck.
Okay.
Buyan na lang naman.
That's okay. Balik.
Oops. Another one.
Last one.
That's good na.
Sama ni siyang purma.
I guess
This is the
niliwi
front.
ang kanyang usa. Balik.
Dali na siya. Sakto na siya.
I guess it's Dr. kind of a invisible thing.
So,
So, this is the Hammock and suksoko na nini mo siya dire ni paana. Para na siya ipakuan mao ni murag extra pa.
mas mayo i-double siya. Double.
Idobo.
Tropo. Muskit.
Musket di ay.
Para na siya.
Bye.
How to turn it? That's wrong.
Ato i-install ang duyan.
Sige. We'll try to install the doyan.
We'll try to install the duyan. Like, oh my gosh, is this wrong? No.
Sige, loop.
Let's look it. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. Okay, and tie it right here is more like a rubber shoe.
Double tie. One more para secured. Now,
The other
sama
one.
na siya. Bitay dili na sa tagak.
The
The other one.
Another, just like I did it. Hehe, boy. It's kind of heavy. I need help. There we go. Let's move it for a little. Or I can sit too. I can sit.
Tie.
Oof, it's stuck. Okay. There we go.
Double tie para secured. Okay.
This is too high. It's all too very high.
Sige na. I-adjust lang dayon na siya. So, mo na
The
yung
mosquito.
musket.
Mosquitero. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I guess I can hide here.
Para way lamok.
Wait, where is the zipper?
You didn't know it's right here.
Zipper.
Sige, i-try dayon na nato karon. Wait sa. So, naman na ang diyan. Ato na i-try. Sige, mo try.
So let's try to see it guys.
So, you have to sit is you have to put sa center. Then, ana.
Okay. My booty stuck.
Then,
Perfect. More like yung Dini dos.
sige, pillow. Sige.
So, thank you guys for watching. I know it's short, so please like and subscribe. Please comment. And see ya.
Thank you for follow. Gamay na pa exist. Pwede na siya stag ko. Kaya kayo no, biskin mo mama na.
Yes, how about you?
Bye-bye.